Hi viewers, thanks to my dear parents, God and you. Today we are going to see the topic vertigo. This is also a giddiness. So for this there are two mudra. First mudra is Sunya mudra. Second one Pranavayu mudra. Now I will see how to do that mudra and duration for that mudra. First, Sunya Mudra. On your both hand, center finger should be folded, thumb should be put on that, remaining finger should be straight. So try to hold straight, otherwise no issue. Time period for doing this mudra, maximum 15 minutes. If you want to do further, you need to leave 1 hour gap. After that only you need to continue further. Again I repeat, time period for doing this mudra maximum 15 minutes. Again, if you want to continue this mudra, need to leave 1 hour gap. After that you need to continue. Second mudra, Pranavayu mudra. So on your both hand, index finger should be kept on base of thumb finger, then little finger and ring finger should be joined with thumb finger, center finger should be straight. Duration for this mudra 20 to 30 minutes. So time duration given for every mudra you can do in a single slot means it's okay, good, very good. If you cannot able to do in a single slot, no issue, you can split up the time in equal. If I am giving 20 minutes means you can do 10 minutes in the morning, after that you can take enough rest, then you can do further 10 minutes, no issue. So to get very good result, you need to follow mudra ground rule. Ground rule already given in my YouTube channel. Kindly visit my YouTube channel and let you know. Though here I am giving 3 or 4 important rules. While doing mudra, we need to concentrate on mudra. At the same time, we need to think that issues or diseases relieving or clearing, like that we need to think. At the same time, breath should be normal. Next, mudra should not be done either walking and standing. Finally, mudra can be done either sitting or sleeping on a mat. Those who cannot able to sit on floor, they can sit on chair. Also ensure that a mat should be maintained between floor and our foot. So there should not be any connection, direct connection between our foot and floor. Okay. Even they cannot able to sit on floor and chair, they can sleep and do the mudra. At the same time, while doing mudra and sitting, we need to ensure that our spinal cord should be straight. Okay. So I wish you to get speedy recovery after doing this mudra. If you like this video, please like. Have any question, please comment. To get my further videos, subscribe. Thank you.